How to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account. Now, this troubleshooting steps is very easy. The very first thing that you need to do is just by accessing your Netflix account without connecting to the internet. So say for example, you were automatically logged out from um, the specific user that you're in right now. Now, the next thing you do is just access Netflix without internet is connected. And while you already have full access on the user account that you are open with, then that's the time that you can go ahead and try to reconnect to the internet again. Now, other thing that you can do is just to go ahead and do the airplane mode glitch. So just access your Netflix account with the error message showing and then just turn on your airplane mode, leave it a couple of a minute, and then turn it back on and check if the error has already been resolved. So that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to be able to fix your device isn't part of the Netflix household for this account.